Bullish Ethereum. ETH cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8,720.19 and $16,471.46 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $6,782.37 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,550.26. Ethereum, ETH presentation decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports brilliant agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital currency after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum organizers. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance, DeFi, offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for traditional monetary delegates like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are in like manner conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? ETH. Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH. It's local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to fabricate any safe advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum is presently worth $1,937.82 United States dollars. ETH has moved 1.18% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $7,410,202,039. Ethereum is right now positioned 2 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $227,380,097,259 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum. ETH. To conclude, we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Ethereum, ETH, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. ETH. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2,906.73. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady. However, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2,712.95 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,325.38. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,844.55. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,875.64 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,263.20. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025. it could reach $6,782.37, and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6,201.02 and a low of $5,813.46 in 2025. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Ethereum effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $8,720.19, with a base cost of $7,751.28 and a typical cost of $8,138.84. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $10,076.66 by 2027, with a base cost of $9,689.10 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $10,658.01. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $12,014.48. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $12,595.82, neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $11,626.92. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $13,564.73 and a yearly cost close above $14,533.64 in 2029. Ethereum ETH Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $15,502.55 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $16,471.46, averaging out at $15,890.12. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are in